Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts, says Winston Churchill.
Through a universal language of dance, our performers from grade 7 CBSE will bring to life a stories of
Arunima Sinha, the first ampute to climb Mount Everest;
Sudha Chandran, a Bharatanatyam icon;
Saina Nehwal, a badminton champion;
Mary Kom, boxing champion;
Draupadi Murmu, India's first tribal women president.
So without further ado, please join us in welcoming our talented dancers to pay a unique tribute to those legendary women's
unwavering spirit, courage and passion. Welcome, dear friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we pay tribute to the unsung heroes of India, the women who have shaped our nation's history through their unwavering courage, resilience and determination. This dance performance celebrates the struggles, triumphs and contributions of these extraordinary women as we honor their legacy and celebrate the spirit of Indian womanhood.
We are pleased to inform you that as you represented national volleyball team, you have been shortlisted for the sports quota position at CISF. We look forward to meeting you at Delhi headquarters.
यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी क्रमांक 128008 सुपरफास्ट समता एक्सप्रेस थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आ रही है।
Journey to Delhi headquarters, a tragic accident occurred on 11th of April in the year 2011 when she was pushed out of a running train by thieves who were attempting to steal her gold chain. Doctors at the Bareilly District Hospital had to perform the amputation immediately. Consequently, she was provided with a prosthetic leg.
Beta, with this weakness, you cannot achieve anything in life.
Ma, I don't care. I will climb Mount Everest and put my nation's flag on top. Nothing can stop me. Shabashiya, 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 Shabashiya.
And your abilities. Arunima's confidence and self-belief propelled her to achieve the impossible, inspiring countless others to do the same.
Ta jum dum ta dum ta dhalam ko tak tak ko da da gira 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 ta jum ta ka jum jum ta तकिट त दत्त जम किडतिक जम त तत्तणम त तत्तरम त तकिट त तंगिडतिक तरिगिडतिक त तरित त धणत त ऋणत त दिनित त दजम तत्तणम तत्तरम तगदिम तकिडतिक तंगिडतिक तरिगिडतिक त धिम त तरिगिडतिक त जम धिम दत्त जम नम दत्त जम तम तकिट धन तद तंगिडतिक तरिगिडतिक धिम त तरिगिडतिक त जम धिम दक तकिट जम जम दकिट दक जम द जम जम दकिट त जम किडतिक तरिगिडतिक त
Sudha Chandran, a renowned Indian actress and dancer. At the age of 17, she met with a severe accident while traveling from Mumbai to Tiruchirappalli. Sudha's courage and perseverance inspired her to return to dance. Defying all the odds, she continued to pursue her dream of becoming a Bharatanatyam dancer.
मुश्किल वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला, दिल के साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला, हम जो चुने तो मिलता जोश है।
Mary, girls should focus on household chores and taking care of their families. You can't be involved in all of this.
Ma, I will do whatever it takes to become a boxer. I will sacrifice everything and I will make sure that I achieve my goal.
बस तेरी ही खातिर जा ये सरफरोश है, जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे, आसमां तिरंगा सजाना आज है, शान से सभी को बताएंगे, जीत लेंगे सारा जहां।
The winner is Mary Kom.
Mary Kom is a highly decorated athlete having received numerous prestigious awards including Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award.
जलना बुझना बुझ के जलना, मरना जीना मर के जीना, मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना, गिरना उठना उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना, याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना, जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों, मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है, मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है।
Despite battling arthritis, Saina Nehwal's unwavering determination and relentless spirit led her to make history as the first Indian woman to win Olympic badminton gold, inspiring millions with her triumph over adversity and world champions alike.
वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है।
कभी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है।
शक्ति है, वो 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 शक्ति है।
के जिसको अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान है जिसके हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है, जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले, कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जो उत्तरों को चूम ले। शक्ति है, वो 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 शक्ति है।
Women are not weak. They are capable of achieving greatness with determination and perseverance. The stories of role models like Marie Kom and others serve as powerful reminders that with hard work and unwavering dedication, anything is possible. These inspiring examples aim to ignite the spark of ambition in young minds, empowering them to chase their dreams and shatter the boundaries of what is achievable.
We appreciate your special and unique performance.
That you walk the crowd to remember those great personalities.